begin. Topics to be covered. What is advertising? Advantage to manufacturers, advantage to consumers, modes of advertising, types of advertising, commercial and social, basic rules for advertisement. What is advertising? Advertisement means to turn and calls attention. It shares information to sell something. Advertising convinces people to buy or react positively. It uses various mediums to inform and persuade buyers. Objectives of advertising. Advertising is used to inform people about products. Companies use advertising to sell more products. Advertising aims to increase product usage and attract new customers. Advertising creates demand and markets products to consumers. Advantages of advertising. Advertising can promote goods and educate the public. It can reach a large number of people, including through the internet. Some countries require broadcasters to air advertisements related to consumer interest. Public advertisements educate people on social and moral issues. Advantages to consumers. Advertisement inform about product quality and prices. Consumers can't be overcharged with advertised prices. Direct sale eliminate middlemen charges and increase profit. Consumers save time and improve living standards. Advantages to society. Ads create jobs for artists, writers and experts. Ads educate people about products and their benefits. Ads support newspapers and journals. Ads promote healthy competition and business growth. Benefits to manufacturers. Ads help sell products by creating demand. Good ads keep demand steady all year. Ads make people want products, reducing inventory. Ads help consumers know product quality and boost sales. Benefits to manufacturers. Advertising increase sales and reduce production cost. Advertising informs consumer about available goods. Advertising encourages innovation and technological advancements. Advertising boosts pride for manufacturers and employees. Advertising, direct marketing and trade promotion. TV advertising in India is creative and glitzy. Hindi TV channels like Zee and Sony are popular. Mumbai is the center of the advertising business. India has exhibitions, conferences and seminars for trade promotion. Direct marketing. Mail service in India is slow but reliable. Telephone service has been improving rapidly. Private courier services are growing and telecommunication sector is expanding. Door-to-door sales are common due to limited online shopping options. Modes of advertisement. Advertising is important for businesses nowadays. Different modes of advertising are used. Print media includes newspaper, billboards, banners and posters. Electronic media includes television and internet advertising. Types of advertisement. Printing advertisement. Newspapers, magazines, brochures and flyers are printed advertising. Print media is a popular way to advertise. Print media include newspapers, magazines, brochures and flyers. The cost of print ad depends on factors like size, position and rendership. Types of advertisement. Outdoor advertising. Billboards, kiosks, trade shows and events are outdoor advertising examples. Outdoor advertising use tools and techniques to attract customers. Billboards need to be short and catchy to get attention. Events and sponsorship can be great advertising opportunity. Broadcast advertising. Television, radio and internet are broadcast advertising example. TV ads have been popular since their introduction. TV ad costs depend on duration, broadcast time and channel popularity. Radio is preferred by small-scale advertisers with catchy jingles. Convert advertising. Special advertising in movies show products subtly. Brand appears in entertainment without commercials. Examples include Nokia phone in Minority Report movie. Matrix Reloaded features Cadillac cars for advertising. Surrogate advertising. Surrogate advertising is used when banned by law. Alcohol and cigarette ads are prohibited in many countries. Companies create other products to remind people indirectly. Examples include Foster's and Kingfisher beers brands. Public service advertising uses advertising to share important messages. It focuses on social welfare causes like AIDS and poverty. David Ogilvy supported using advertising for social purposes. Some countries require radio and TV stations to air public service ads. Basic rule for advertisement. Ads must follow the country's law. Ad should be respectful and not offend people's belief. Ads must not insult other products or services. Commercial ads should provide accurate information about products. Thank you.